What's going on, everyone? Matthew GS here, and in this video I'm going to share with you a video editing software that I use, and it's completely free to use and download. I've been using it for many years now, and it is really good. I'm very impressed with it right from the get-go. I've had no problems whatsoever. All my YouTube videos up to this date I've done myself, edited everything in this program, and it's actually called Shotcut. So what I'm going to do is share my screen, and if I go to this tab here, this is what it's called, Shotcut. Just go straight to Google, type in Shotcut, and you can go to download. I'm using Windows 10, but you can download this on a Mac as well, I believe. So just minimize myself here. And once you've downloaded Shotcut and it's installed, I'm just going to show you, once it's downloaded, you get a file that looks like this on Windows 10. So just install this. Once it's installed, you can actually delete this file. You don't actually need it anymore. So I've just updated this one. I'm going to show you that in a second. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this file. Okay, perfect. So let's just stop share there, and then I'm going to share my screen again. And Shotcut looks like this. And this is just an introduction video to Shotcut. I will be doing other videos of how to actually use it, how to edit all your videos and audios and things like that. So stay tuned for more videos of how to use Shotcut. But one important thing to know is once you've installed Shotcut and you've got the latest version, if you go to here, which says help, and if you go to upgrade, it says you are running the latest version of Shotcut. Just be mindful that Shotcut does not update itself automatically, and from my experience over the years, it won't actually tell you that there's an update available. So every month or every week or whenever you use this program, just go in and just check if there is an update, because I found every time that I've updated the program, it runs so much better. They've added new features and it just gives a better user experience. So just be mindful of that. But this is a really good program for editing all your videos for free, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in future videos. So take it easy, and I'll see you in the future.